Well, 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 look who's the amateur detective of the aisle, standing there with a dog bone and a bottle of vodka. No shopping cart in sight. What's the matter? How? Did you lose a bet, or are you just the world's worst party planner for dogs? I bet your dog's the one that goes to the park and barks. I need a drink after living with this guy. And here you are, thinking he's here to stalk you. Get over yourself. You're not that interesting. The only thing you're stalking is the clearance rack, hoping to find a personality at a discounted price. But let me ask you, were you really gonna ask him if he was getting ready to get his dog drunk? That's like asking the ice cream if it's ready to melt in the desert. Of course, it is, but we're not gonna let it happen, are we? Because then we'd have a drunk dog on our hands, and that's a whole other can of worms. Or should I say, a whole other bottle of vodka. So, next time you see someone with a dog bone and vodka, just walk away, unless you want to end up in a comedy routine. And remember, not everyone is out to get you. Some of us are just trying to figure out life, one bone and bottle at a time.